Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to start with the right hardware. Xbox 360 controllers use a proprietary wireless protocol, so get the official or compatible USB wireless receiver. Once plugged into a Windows PC, allow automatic driver installation. If Windows doesn't install, download and install the Microsoft Xbox 360 wireless receiver driver. Make sure the controller has fresh AA cells or a charged pack and switch it on. After the receiver is ready, you'll initiate pairing from the device and receiver, so keep both powered and visible for the next step. With the receiver ready, press its connect button so the LED blinks rapidly. This places it in pairing mode. Now press the controller's guide button to turn it on, then press the small round connect button on the controller. Watch the controller's quadrant LEDs spin during search. Once the controller finds the receiver, the LEDs will lock to one quadrant and the receiver LED will stop flashing. Make sure Windows recognizes the device. Check Devices and Printers for Xbox 360 wireless receiver, or controller icons and confirm drivers are listed as working. Now finalize. Open Game Controller's settings or Steam Big Picture and test all buttons and sticks to confirm registration. If the controller fails to respond, unplug and replug the receiver, remove the device from Windows and repeat pairing, or replace batteries. If Windows shows driver errors, reinstall the receiver driver and run Windows Update. Note why. Xbox 360 controllers use a proprietary radio, so Bluetooth fixes won't work. If you need Bluetooth specifically, use an Xbox One/Series controller or a wired adapter instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.